The International Space Station is now in its 11th year of continuous human occupation. With the major construction phase over, astronauts are able to devote more of their time to carrying out experiments and routine maintenance procedures. 2011 has nonetheless been a significant year in orbit for the European Space Agency. In May, Paolo Nespoli from Italy ended a 6-month stay on board the ISS. It was the third European long-duration mission, involving an intensive series of experiments and the docking of ESA's second ATV supply vessel.
4, 3, 2.
During his time in orbit, Nespoli was visited by another Italian, Roberto Vittori. Arriving in May, he was the last European astronaut to travel on board NASA's space shuttle, ending an era which began with the Space Lab missions almost 3 decades ago. Since the final flight of shuttle Atlantis in July, the Russian Soyuz capsule has been the only means of getting to and from the International Space Station. This will have a major impact on ESA's manned spaceflight program.
There is only one vehicle which is capable of transferring humans to ISS and back from ISS. So in that respect, it's a little bit an uncomfortable situation. However, the Soyuz launcher and the capsule in the past has been proven to be extremely reliable. I think we could ensure very well flights for the next European astronauts. We are also taking steps in the area of transportation that could help us, playing an important role in the future transportation aspects of exploration.
After many months of international training, André Kuipers from the Netherlands will shortly embark upon ESA's 4th long-duration mission to the ISS.
André has quite a comprehensive program ahead of him. He will be the flight engineer on the Soyuz. When he is on the station, he will do a lot of tasks, scientific tasks. He will do robotic operations. So this is, again, another important step of utilizing the International Space Station, of course, not only from the scientific point of view, but also in spreading the fascination of spaceflight to the broad public, spreading the fascination, especially in the young generation, by performing a couple of activities in connection with education.
Much has changed since Kuipers' first flight to the station back in 2004. ESA's Columbus Laboratory and Cupola Observatory have greatly enhanced the working environment, and the number of pressurized modules has increased to 15 since the addition of the European Permanent Multipurpose Module in February. The station is now in its utilization phase. Over the coming years, the international partners will concentrate on reaping the rewards of their investments in orbit.
ISS has been now in orbit for about 11 years, and there are at least 9 years more to come. All international partners have agreed to run the station at least till the end of this decade. However, I'm sure that on the 31st of December 2020, neither the station will disintegrate nor there will be any less demand in using ISS as a scientific platform.
ESA's operational experience in orbit has grown exponentially through its involvement in the International Space Station. Now, a new generation of European astronauts have all the facilities they need to work at the cutting edge of space exploration.